Go. Daddy's playing with Aaron in the water. You get mommy wet too. You get mommy wet too, Daddy. Daddy, you get mommy wet. That's what I'd say. She's soaking wet, but she does not like the swimming pool. You want to go get in the water?
Go that way.
She is so silly. And so... Ellen, you get me too. Look at her face. Let's look at her face. She is soaking wet. Look at it.
She want to play.
Now you want to play in the water?
Look at you.
Yes.
Now you need to go get wiped down.
Okay, it's time to go in. You had fun? Just let her put her hands in it.
She get more wet doing that than anything. All right, last time.
You like it? Say water. Water. All right, you're soaking wet. Game time. It's time to. You got water. You got. Look at the fuzz. Her hair looks fuzzy. Ow! 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 Oh, okay. Enough water in the grass and the flowers and ourselves. Okay, Daddy, stop playing. Playtime's over. Say bye-bye, Aaron. Bye-bye.